So now let's discuss the next problem, which is from KV Narayanan, and the question number is 7.9. And the question is, the volume of a mixture of two organic liquids 1 and 2 is given by V is equals to 110 minus 17x1 minus 2.5 x1 square, where V is the volume in meter cube per mole at 1 bar and 300 Kelvin. Find the expressions for V1 bar, V2 bar and delta V. Okay, so we need to find out the partial molar volume of component 1, means expression for partial molar volume of component 1, component 2 and change in volume. So we know that V1 bar is equals to V minus x2 dava V by dava x2, and you can write this equation in terms of x1 also. So we know that x1 plus x2 is equals to 1, right? And in place of x2 you can substitute 1 minus x1, and when you differentiate this, so this will be this. Okay, so when you substitute here, so 1 minus x1 in place of x2, we substitute 1 minus x1 dava V upon, and in place of dava x2 we substitute minus dava x1. So क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 माइनस x1 dava V upon dava x1. ये ऑलरेडी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ इन पार्शियल मोलर प्रॉपर्टी. So let's solve this. So first we have V is equals to 110 minus 17x1 minus 2.5 x1 स्क्वायर. हमने क्यों उसको x1 के टर्म में लिख लिया, बिकॉज यहाँ पर हमको क्या दिया हुआ है इन टर्म्स ऑफ x1, right? That's why we converted V1 bar into x1. अगर x2 होता तो हम ऐसे ही लेके जाते, same in a similar way. Okay, so now differentiate this dava V with respect to, differentiate the above equation with respect to x1. So this is 0 minus 17 minus 2.5 into 2 x1. So this is minus 17 minus 5 x1. Okay, so now let's substitute value here. So V1 bar is equals to, in place of V we substitute this, so we have 110 minus 17 x1 minus 2.5 x1 square, then 1 minus x1, and in place of dava V by dava x1 minus 17 minus 5 x1. So 110 minus 17 x1 minus 2.5 x1 square, open the bracket. So minus 17 minus plus 17 x1 minus 5 x1 and plus 5 x1 square. So this 17 x1 cancel हो गया. 110 minus 17 is 93 positive. Then we have minus 5 x1, and then we have plus 2.5 x1. So now 93 minus यहाँ से 2.5 x1 कॉमन लिया तो क्या बचा यहाँ पर 2 and minus here x1. फाइन, आप ऐसे भी आंसर लिख सकते हो उसको, और either you can write in terms of x2. हमें जो सोल्यूशन दिया हुआ है, आंसर जो गिवन है वो x2 के टर्म है. So let's convert it. So we know that x1 plus x2 is equals to 1. So x1 in place of x1, what we can put, 1 minus x2. So just substitute over here. So 93 minus 2.5 x1, 2 minus 1 minus x2 in bracket. So here V1 bar is equals to 93 minus 2.5 x1, 2 minus 1 plus x2. So 93 minus 2.5 x1, here 1 plus x2. So this is V1 bar, the first expression for partial molar volume of component 1. Now let's find out the V2 bar. So V2 bar is equals to, we know that this is the formula. So substitute the value of V. V is 110 minus 17 x1 minus 2.5 x1 square minus x1 is remain as it is. In place of dava V by dava x1, we can substitute minus 17 minus 5x1. So just rearrange 17x1 minus 2.5 x1 square minus plus 17x1 minus plus 5x1 square. So 17 bar is 110 minus 2.57 x1 square plus 5x1, so plus 2.5 x1 square. So this is the value of V2 bar. And so now we have the value of V1 bar and V2 bar. So now let's find out the value of delta V, and we know that the change in volume at a standard state is given by summation of xi Vi bar minus Vi, and for any binary solution we can write this x1 V1 bar minus V1 plus x2 V2 bar minus V2. So we have the value of V1 bar and V2 bar, and we need to find out the value of V1 and V2. तो कैसे find out करोगे आप V1 and V2 की value? So V is equals to V1, right? कब V is equals, ये किसका volume है? This is the volume of the solution, जहाँ पर दोनों components present है. Now we need to find out the volume of only component 1. तो क्या होगा इसमें? x1 is equals to 1 and x2 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. So when you substitute x1 is equals to 1 here, so V1 will be 110 minus 17 minus 2.5. So this is how much? 93 minus 2.5. So this is 90.5. Similarly, V is equals to V2 when x1 is equals to 0, right? That means x1 is not there, only component 2 is there. So just substitute x1 is equals to 0 over there. So we will get the value of volume of component 2. So this will be equal to 110. So now we have all the values. So just substitute the values in this equation. So delta V is equals to x1 is remain as it is. V1 bar is 93 minus 2.5 x1 1 plus x2. Then minus V1, so minus V1 is 90.5, then plus x2, V2 bar is 110 plus 2.5 x1 square, and V2 is minus 110, so 110 is cancelled, and here it is 93 minus 90.5, so this is 2.5 minus just open the bracket, 2.5 x1 minus 2.5 x1 x2 plus 2.5 x1 square x2. Again just multiply this, so 2.5 x1 minus 2.5 x1 square minus 2.5 x1 square x2 plus 2.5 x1 square x2. So cancel delta V, then we have 2.5 x1 minus 2.5 x1 square, so 2.5 x1 is common, 1 minus x1, and we know that what is 1 minus x1 from any binary solution. We know that x2 is equals to 1 minus x1, so delta V is equals to 2.5 x1 x2. So these are this is the first answer, V1 bar, this one is the second answer, and this is the third answer.